heaven to me. You look like an angel tonight, but you might wanna slip off those wings. I want you in the worst way. My hands are needing your hips. Want the first taste of whiskey right off of your lips. So close all the blinds, lock all the doors, put away anything that'll break. Baby, I need you tonight. Let's see how much love we can make. I want you in the worst way. I want you in the worst way. I want you in the worst way. My hands are needing your hips. Want the first taste to be whiskey right off of your lips. So close all the blinds, lock all the doors, put away anything that'll break. Baby, I need you tonight. Let's see how much love we can make. I want you in the worst way. I want you in the worst way. The worst way.
This dance is called Beneath the Sheets, choreographed by Joshua Talbot. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, high intermediate level rolling 8 count line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot facing 10:30 to start. Step left foot forward, hit your right foot back, sweep your left foot back, sweep your right, behind side cross rock, recover, quarter turn right, step right foot forward, facing 130, half turn right, step left foot back, sweep your right, facing 730, right foot, rock back. Section 2, recover, left foot forward, sweep your right, cross side behind, sweep your left, behind, quarter turn right, forward, facing 1030, forward. 1 1/4 turn to your right, half turn right, forward, half turn right, back, quarter turn right, right foot side, facing 130, left foot behind, quarter turn right foot forward. Now you're facing 430. Section 3, left foot, rock forward, recover together, right foot, rock back, recover together, left foot forward, sweep your right, press right foot forward, and bring your left foot slightly to a right. Step left foot back, sweep your right, behind side cross. On section 3, there's a turning option. Left foot rock forward, recover together, right foot rock back. You will recover, make a half turn to your left, step right foot back, and then half turn left, step left foot forward, sweep your right, then press right foot forward, bring your left to a right, back, sweep your right, behind side cross. Continue, last section. Left foot, side, rock back, recover side, behind side cross rock, recover side cross, 3/4 turn to your right, quarter turn right, left foot back, half turn right foot forward. Now you're facing 130 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 R7 AR. With turning option on section 3. 1, 2 R3, 4 R5, 6, 7 ANR1, 2 R3, 4 R5, 6 R7 AR. In the stance, there's a restart on wall 3. You will dance 8 counts, then restart the dance facing 130. Now let me show you wall 3 with counts, starts facing 430. 1, 2, 3, 4 R5, 6 R7, 8. This is the end of 8 counts. Now restart the dance facing 130. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.